I am using Sempertex Reflex Violet 260s. And you need 4 of them. So I am going to inflate, I believe, 4 pumps. 5. And release some air. Now I'm going to do the same thing and tie 2 together. So this is how much is left over. I have been going live every weekday at around 10 a.m. EST. So Monday through Friday. Good morning, Designs by Londi. We are making a chain. Let's see if I got them the same size. Close enough. I was going to take today off. Ron is at home today. But some of you were requesting these 2 items yesterday. So I said, okay, I'm going to come on and do them. And Ron's fine with that. Thank you very much. I actually enjoy this. Good morning, Pretty Pop Creations. I enjoy doing it this way much better than just filming without the live. I prefer this. Hello, Sarah. I wish I had gotten the courage to do this sooner. But I was too nervous to go live. But I got over that quick. Good morning, Grand Rising. How is Boots? Boots is good. Thank you, I appreciate you guys. So, oops, I'm just talking away. Not teaching. You are very welcome, and I'm glad to hear you're learning a lot. You're too shy? I was, but I got over it. I still sometimes get a little in the belly, but it's all good. So I'm going to take the 2 sets, and I'm going to connect them and just twist them over to lock them in place. And I'm going to give them a little bit of a squeeze. I really find squeezing your 260s really helps. Now we're going to make 2 bubbles, just like that. And you're going to pinch it. I'm doing it with my right hand. I'm pinching and twisting. So now you will end up like this. So this, wait a minute. This part down here is a part of the 260s with the bubbles. These are the free ones. We haven't done any bubbles. So we're going to bring that down. Wait a minute. I'm sorry. Forget that part. We're still doing this. I was thinking I was doing a different twist. Okay, so we're still doing this. We are going to bring this over. Just like that. and twist. I do that a lot too when I'm doing balloon twisting events. I'll be asked to make one thing and I'll start making something else. I think the other thing was in my mind. I was editing the video earlier. This brand is Sempertex, and the color is Reflex Violet. Let's see what your name is. Melissa Luna, I believe your name is. Okay. Thank you very much for the rose. We are just folding over. I believe I'm doing it right. And twisting. Yes, I am doing it right. Now we're going to bring it down and twist. I will make another one. So now we are here. We're going to bring this down. I'm going to give it a little bit of a squeeze. Always try to keep them as soft as possible. And twist. I'm going to give it another squeeze. Now we're going to bring these down and we're going to twist them. And I'm going to give it another squeeze. And we're going to bring these down and give it a twist. You are very welcome. Thank you everybody for joining on this Friday, March 6th. Happy birthday to my daughter. And we're gonna just continue making the links. Let me give a squeeze. Getting to the end. It's finally doing it. All right. That is great, Seymour. Awesome, awesome. Okay. Hopefully yours is all coming out the same like mine. Try to get you guys close together, YouTube and TikTok. So I am going to take these two ends and I'm going to tie them up here. Hello. Grand Rising. I hear Moon outside the door crying to come in. Okay, we are just going to cut these. I am just snipping them off. Release the air and tie it. Thank you. And there we have our chain. Thank you very much. I find this looks really good hugging an 18-inch balloon. So this one, I just inflated it a random size. I just want to show you how well that looks if you wrap it around. And you have that like at the base of your garland. Beautiful. Carefully add it to the end. Tie it, of course, twice. And then I'm going to tie it to the other side. Just using those 260 ends that were at the end of the chain.